Yes, welcome. This is the admin page, rather the dashboard or the landing page for the administrator of the system. So here you'll get an overview of the whole business, whatever is happening, yeah, in terms of even active customers, revenue generated, and all that. And you can easily, switch between those filters, whether it's the last 7 days, whether it's the last 30 days, and all that. You'll be able to see sort of. The overview of the business, basically, yeah, projects, invoices, all that, in terms of performances between the your customers and the services that you render, be it goods and services. Yeah, you can be able to adjust your calendar accordingly, and we'll be able to, as the admin, see through the calendars who is doing what, who is meeting who, and all that. And if you have a meeting that you intend to have also another staff coming in, you can easily tag them here. They'll get a notification on the same. When it comes to the expenses, an overview of how much you've spent month to date and all that. You can create a new expense. You can just click on it and be able to do a new expense in terms of whether there are any receipts, attachments, or whatever it is, yeah, in terms of what's needed for the justification of an expense, depending on your business. So what happens is that we do this so custom such that it fits your business needs. Yeah. Then as the admin, you're able to review. You can even as well print those, defined expenses over the period. And the other interesting bit is on the leads generation. So if you have a new lead, you just add them and say this is the customer information here, give it, and now the sales team is able to follow up from there. And items are basically the products that you sell, be it goods, services, and all that. With their costing and everything, you can adjust this on the fly and do everything around it. Customers, keep your customers database in terms of what information you need belonging to a customer. You'll be able to add it here and be okay. Contacts will be basically a section where we have everything appertaining the people and the stakeholders involved in the system. Users, you can easily do user management here, get to bring in your salespeople, marketing team, what they want them to view from the system. It's a role-based access, so that means each will just learn to exactly the roles they've been defined to use. Sales overview is just jumping into a highlight of the numbers that matter in your sales aspect. Yeah, so you tell us these are the key elements, then those key elements are added now as cards, and you're able to visualize them quite easily. If you want to do estimates for given customers, you can easily come here, do the estimate, and you can always just whether it went through, didn't go through, and all that. Quotes, they're here. You can do a quote for a customer. Later you can do the invoicing. And now another interesting bit is the payments. So you're able to follow up on your invoices. Who has paid what was the mode of payment, what's the status, was it paid in full, and was it a partial payment, and all that. Is it still pending? And here you can be able to see all the non-performing sort of clients. So all the non-performing invoicing, it's here. So project management here, if you want to manage a certain project, you can easily do a new project, when is it, and tag your members who will be present, and your project team who will be the lead, and all that for this precise project. And from this you're able to do for instance, defining of milestones and all that for the project. Yeah, you just have to indicate on the specific day what happened, what are the notes, what are the release notes, did you roll out a product out of it, what exactly did you do. So if you want to break down into more tasks and assign it to your staff, you can easily do that. Tickets, this is as raised by the customer. So should there be any concerns in terms of a downtime and all that, you can easily do a ticket to from which customer, falls under which department, who needs to do what, and they'll update once they're done with the task. So the tickets keep everything at tabs. Roles, this will define what exactly the different people can do. So whether it's your sales agent, whether it's your sales team, whether it's your accounts team, can just have access maybe to payments and all that, and also the configurations of the business, what's the name, what's the logo, the addresses, and all that. You can easily add them here. And the reports, We are still working on the reporting, and this will be based on your precise business need. So thank you very much. We welcome you to partner with us. Feel free to reach us at cimatechsolutions.com, and we'll engage more. Thank you.